Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the accounts that are linked to your Gmail account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can see here, I'm on an iPhone opening up Safari. It doesn't matter what device you're on or what browser, just go to google.com. After you're on google.com, tap on your profile at the top right to make sure you're logged into the Gmail or Google account that you wanted to check all of those third-party accounts for. Let's tap on Manage Your Account, and from here, you'll be able to access your Google account. You can see you can go directly there just by going to myaccount.google.com. After we've done that, let's go to Data and Privacy and then scroll down. You can see within Data and Privacy, it says data from apps and services you use. And we're going to, from here, just tap on where it says third-party apps and services. These are all of the third-party accounts that have access to your Google or Gmail account. Now, to remove any of these, all we need to do is tap on it, and you'll be able to see you can choose to show all of the data or just choose to delete the connection and then hit confirm. Keep in mind, when you do this, essentially you're severing the link between your Google or Gmail account and that third-party account. Sometimes this breaks them and they will no longer work going forward, so just make sure you're good with that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.